In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high ping spikes on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're randomly getting ping spikes or high ping, then what you can do to fix this is first open up the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and then click on the Registry Editor tool. In the left-hand side, expand the folder where it says HKey Local Machine, then expand Software. Then we're going to scroll down until you see Microsoft and expand this. Scroll down again until you see Windows NT and expand this. Expand Current Version. Then scroll down until you see Multimedia and expand this. And then you need to click on the folder called System Profile. Now in here, you're going to have a file called Network Throttling Index. Double click on that. And what you need to do is make sure this value data here is set to 8 Fs on your keyboard. So you can see here on my screen, this is the F key typed out 8 different times. And we want to make sure hexadecimal is selected and press OK. Now, once you've done that, close out of this window, head over to your Start menu and search for Services, and then click on the Services window. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see a service called WLAN Autoconfig. Once you've found this service, double click on it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press apply and OK. You're also going to do the same for WWAN Autoconfig. Double click on this, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and press apply and OK. Once you've done this, close out of this window, head over to your Start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From here, type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then type in netsh space int space IP space reset and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space / release and hit enter. Then type in ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. And finally type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Now once you've done all of this, close out of this window and you're going to come over to your Start menu and just restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that's now fixed your high ping. If it's not working, the last thing we're going to do is come over to the Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on the Control Panel window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center, then select Change Adapter Settings in the left navigation. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and click on Properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 from the list and click on Properties. Down at the bottom, make sure where it says Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically, switch this to Use the following DNS server addresses, and then just type in 1111 and 1001 and press OK. Now once you've done that, you can check to see if that's fixed your ping issue. If it's made it worse or if it's not helped at all, then you can just come back into here and you can change this back to Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically and press OK. Now if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not solved the ping issue, then I'd recommend trying to connect your computer with an Ethernet cable to your router. This is what most professional gamers use for the fastest connection possible. So this is basically just a wire that runs from your router directly to your computer or laptop. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.